All right, everybody, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be talking about the Linden, Utah temple, and that's coming up right after this. Hi, everybody, welcome back to Traveling with Justin. I am Justin, and yes, we're going to be taking a little detour from all the traveling stuff like the flights and stuff like that, and we're going to be talking about the Linden, Utah temple. This is the newest temple here for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we're going to take a little tour around it, and we're going to talk a little bit about what it is all about. So come along with me. All right, so let's go ahead, and we're going to take a tour around the temple right here. Now, this right here is number 216th in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. It is just completed, and right now they're doing an open house. This is from March the 12th to April the 11th of 2026. So if you're seeing that in between that, and if you happen to be in the Utah area, head on down to Linden, Utah to take a look at the newest temple. You guys can go inside and take a look at it up until the 11th of April of all faiths. It doesn't matter if you're LDS or anything like that. You can go in and take a look at what's inside of an LDS temple. All right, so look at the Linden, Utah temple. So this journey just took over 5 years, going from the announcement to its upcoming dedication. So October 2020, it was officially announced by President Russell M. Nelson, and in April of 2022, ground was broken, held on a snowy spring morning. And when I filmed this video, it was March, and it was 70 degrees. So yeah, that's quite a difference. March 9th of 2026, it was held the media day and invited guest tours began. March 12th through April 11th of 2026, it was a public open house. So if you're watching this and you're in the Utah area, you can go to the open house, all except for Sundays and April 4th. And on May 3rd, the official dedication of this temple will be performed. And at that time, this will become the 216th working temple for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. All right, so it features twin spires. Okay, so standing 224 feet tall, the temple features the two attached spires of equal height, a design that echoes the peaks of the mountains behind it. It is really super nice. Now we have some global materials. The exterior is clad in a wet Mucci granite from Italy. Inside you'll see golden lightning, a green marble from Brazil, and a rich base marble from Turkey. Now, in the inside of it, it says only the second temple in the history of temples that has two baptistries. And that's necessary to accommodate the high number of youth in Utah County. The other one is in Syracuse, Utah. All right, so local artistry inside the temple. It has some stunning art glass, and it was designed by Holman Studios there in Lehigh. I actually know the Holmans. Total flow area is 83,140 square feet. The elevation is 4,817 feet above sea level. Once dedicated, takes place on May 3rd of 2026. This will become the 216th temple. In Utah County, this is the 7th one to be built, and this is the 25th built in the state of Utah. Now, right here towards the north, big grassy area, and right here, you have this little concrete pad right there. That's perfect for weddings and stuff like that. And it has a great view of Mount Timpanogos right behind it. Mount Timpanogos is the one with snow on it. There's a big tree right there, so you can't see Baldy. But yeah, that is just a beautiful shot of Mount Timpanogos right there in the background. Now, the two spires right there it stands above the floor. of the valley right there, and you can definitely tell that it's a temple. Some of the beauty of it when the sun is just hitting right, it is so nice. But right here, yeah, right there in a residential area, there's the temple. Oh, this white flag right there, that's the end of the line for the open house. So right now, we are up here on what's called the Murdoch Canal Trail. There's a big, huge canal that they enclosed in pipe right down here, and they just put a blacktop over it and did the trail. And yeah, you can see the temple pretty good from up here. You have the two spires right there, and you can see the beauty of it from the northeast. All right, so that concludes the tour of the outside of the Linden, Utah temple. And so in the description down below, so you can go take a look at the 3D video of it and a tour of the inside, which is put out by the church's newsroom. So you can go and take a look at that. So yeah, Traveling with Justin here. We talk about my travel adventures. We also talk about Utah, because that's where I am currently residing at. So we're doing a tour of Utah series, and I'm also doing a tour of the LDS temples. And so yeah, this is number 216 finished, and once it's dedicated on May the 3rd, it will become officially the 216th temple, working temple of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So I would encourage you guys to like this video and to subscribe to the channel, and to also hit that bell notification so when you can get notified of when I post videos up here on Traveling with Justin. And so yeah, Linden LDS Temple, come and take a look at it. And also, next week, we'll be talking a little bit more about the Port of Los Angeles. I did a video about it a while back, and I'll talk about that, and also what's coming up for that Port of Los Angeles here on Traveling with Justin. All right, guys, until the next video, I will see you later. Bye. Thank you for watching Traveling with Justin today and this video. And here you can hit the subscribe button. And here's the next video for your viewing pleasure. Thank you.